Next steps are with your two heat shields, and you can tell which side is which because the writing will be up, which is kind of nice. You can tell which one's right, left. Also, the paper wrapping all this came in was also marked right, left. Now, what you're going to want to do is, you can see I've already got them installed. There are these silver little connections that are going to go down into the rubber grommets here on each side where the OEM airbox used to go in. So you want the ridged side down. Go ahead and use one of the bolts, one of the big silver bolts with a washer. And then I'm going to rough fit this right now, but you can see where this will fit down in, and those two little fingers on each side are going to fit into those grommets, okay? I'm doing this kind of one-handed right at the moment, but this will all fit down here into place, and will fit down into those grommets like that. So go ahead and get both of those posts on both sets of the heat shields and get them set down into place. And then there's some extra brackets that we're gonna add here and here once they're in place, but I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so now that you have the heat shields down into place, and now with those rubber feet going into the grommets, I kept the bolts a little bit loose, so if I had to slide that post kind of in and out a little bit to get the right fitment, so it fit down in those rubber grommets, it's nice, and then you can always tighten it down a little bit later. We're gonna be attaching these plates. Now there really is, when you look at it, there's only one way for the plate to go, because the other plate won't fit, the flange goes the wrong direction. But this is gonna go underneath right here, into these two holes on this side. So you have these little black screws that you're gonna put through on this side, and then it's gonna come underneath. Now, it's a little bit hard to show, but there's a box right here in your upper suspension. There's a hole in it right here. You're gonna use one of those big silver bolts and a nut and connect this plate down through that hole and do the same on the other side. So let me get both of these on, and then I'll show you what that looks like. But it really is just taking this, securing it in place through to this plate.